What's going on, guys? I'm Aaron Baker. Welcome back to another video here at Awake Window and Door Company. Today I'll be going over the 275 patio door. Our 275 patio door utilizes your standard adjustable roller assembly that you might find on a vinyl system. To adjust our patio, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to go down to the bottom of your interlock or lead style. Take that said Phillips screwdriver, insert it into that bottom carriage holder. I'm going to rotate clockwise to bring that panel up, rotate it counterclockwise to bring it down. Another thing in the service department that we get questioned about a lot is, do I have the appropriate pin and base, as we like to call it here at Awake? Our patio door utilizes a narrower base plate with a back nut here. These are pre-installed here in the factory on your order prior to your unit shipping. I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through how to perform a simple panel adjustment on the 275 patio. So we're going to go down to the bottom of the lead style here. As you can see, there is 2 holes. We're going to insert that screwdriver, rotate the screwdriver clockwise to adjust that panel in the upward direction, and then we're going to rotate it counterclockwise to bring that panel down. As we know that field conditions aren't always perfect, and as the construction process progresses, that things move, things settle, and we found that these adjustable rollers are extremely helpful in those conditions. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me at service@awakewdc.com with any questions or concerns you guys may have. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. We have a lot of great content coming your way for you installers, you dealers, or all in all window nerds like myself. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.